Naomi Home presents the Aaliyah Birch Christmas Tree Set of 3 assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This Christmas tree set comes as shown with included lights that light up your holiday spirit. To get started, connect each bottom part onto a base. Turn counterclockwise to secure it in place. Next, place the top parts onto the designated bottom parts that look as follow. Make sure to connect the cables from the top and bottom parts before installing them together. Finally, gently spread the branches so it looks more full. And there you have it. Your Aaliyah Birch Christmas tree set of 3 is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.